Did you hear about the hydrangea plant? Yes, this plant is grown in the cooler region of Himalayas and the northeast states of India. This plant is having the specialty that it produces different kinds of flower depending upon the soil nature, whether the soil is acidic or basic in nature. But did you want to know more about that? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about this topic. Students, I am Dr. Lalita from Hari Science and Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss the very first topic is uses of acids. How the acids are used in our day-to-day life and which property of acid makes them to use in that particular application. So the first table of uses of acid is on the board and I am going to explain it to you with step by step. So the table is formed on the board. First column shows the name of the acid which is used. Next column shows the use of the acid where it is used in the practical application. And now the third column, that is properties used, means which property is used in this particular application, that is shown on the third column. So the very first acid and the common acid is hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. HCl is used in the cleaning metal surfaces before it galvanizes. Galvanizes means उसके ऊपर क्या किया जाता है, मेटल सर्फेसेस को क्लीन करने के लिए कब यूज करते हैं, जब गैल्वेनाइजेशन ना हो. गैल्वेनाइजेशन हम और नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे कि क्या होता है. उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करते हैं कि एसिड का जो रिएक्शन है मेटल ऑक्साइड कोटिंग के साथ, उस प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करते हैं इस मेटल सर्फेसेस को क्लीन करने के लिए. नाउ HCl is also used in the डाइंग प्रिपरेशन. डाइंग प्रिपरेशन के लिए क्यों यूज किया जाता है, कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी को लेकर के यूज किया जाता है एज अ डाइंग प्रोसेस. HCl reacts with organic compounds and form colored substance. कलर्ड सब्सटेंस जो है वो फॉर्म करता है जब HCl को कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस के साथ, कंपाउंड के साथ रिएक्ट करवाया जाए. Now the third use is preparation of glucose from starch. We all know that from the starch glucose is prepared. ठीक है, ग्लूकोज प्रिपेयर कैसे होता है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द HCl. HCl क्या करता है, स्टार्च को के हाइड्रोलिसिस जो है वो कैरी आउट करता है. हाइड्रोलिसिस मीन्स उसमें से जो है H पॉजिटिव आयंस जो है उसका एलिमिनेशन करता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे पास क्या होता है, ग्लूकोज जो है वो फॉर्म होता है. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज यूज्ड टू मेकिंग द ग्लूकोज फ्रॉम द स्टार्च. नाउ द सेकंड एसिड इज सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज H2SO4. The very first application of H2SO4 is manufacture of fertilizers. फर्टिलाइजर्स जो यूज होते हैं उसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए यूज किया जाता है H2SO4. ये किस लिए यूज किया जाता है, H2SO4 we all know that it is an acid. When acid is reacting with a base, it forms a salt. Process is known as neutralization. We already studied this process, but this property is used. Reaction with bases form soluble salts. जब H2SO4 का बेस के साथ रिएक्शन करते हैं तो उस केस में जो सॉल्ट फॉर्म होता है दैट इज सॉल्युबल सॉल्ट. Therefore, that salt is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. इसलिए वो सॉल्ट जो है, जो वहां से soluble salt फॉर्म हुआ है, that is used as a fertilizers. उसको फर्टिलाइजर्स की तरह यूज किया जाता है. सेकेंड, कार बैटरीज के अंदर, कार बैटरीज में क्या हम यूज करते हैं इसको एज अ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट क्या होता है, जब हम ये सेल स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ेंगे आगे फिजिक्स में तो बताएंगे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट क्या होता है बेसिकली. Now, the third application of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, is in the making of dyes, drugs. Drugs means medicines, paints, plastic and detergent. This application uses the property that complex organic reaction to form different products. Different products form करने के लिए complex organic reactions जो हैं वो occur होती हैं. Now, the third acid is nitric acid, that is HNO3. HNO3 is also used in making the fertilizers and explosives. Explosives होते हैं जो किसी धमाके वगैरह के लिए यूज करना हो या किसी को डराने के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं। ये किस केस में कौन सी एप्लीकेशन को यूज करते हैं कि हाईली नाइट्रेट सॉल्ट्स जो होते हैं, नाइट्रेट सॉल्ट्स हमारे कैसे फॉर्म होंगे, जब HNO3 का रिएक्शन जो है वो किसी बेस के साथ होगा तो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस नाइट्रेट सॉल्ट्स आर फॉर्म्ड एंड नाइट्रेट सॉल्ट्स आर हाईली सॉल्युबल नेचर। उनका क्या होता है, हाईली सॉल्युबल नेचर होता है। दैट्स व्हाई दे आर यूज्ड इन फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड एक्सप्लोसिव। और HNO3 is also used in the purification of noble metals. Noble metals if we are talking about, then it is AU. AU means gold, PT means platinum. प्यूरिफिकेशन में क्यों यूज किया जाता है, क्योंकि AU और प्लेटिनम जो ये नोबल मेटल्स हैं ये अपनी प्रॉपर्टी शो करते हैं कि ये जो है गोल्ड और प्लेटिनम दे आर नॉट डिसॉल्वेबल और दे आर इनसॉल्युबल नेचर इन HNO3। HNO3 में इनका कैसा होता है, इनसॉल्युबल नेचर होता है। दैट्स वाई वहां से प्यूरिफिकेशन होती है इसकी। जो भी उसके अलावा आपके पास गोल्ड और प्लेटिनम के अलावा उस मिक्सचर के अंदर होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, सॉल्युबल हो जाएगा। और गोल्ड और प्लेटिनम सॉल्युबल नहीं होगा तो वहां से प्योर गोल्ड और प्लेटिनम जो है वो बाहर आपके पास आ जाएगा। दैट इज द प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ नोबल मेटल्स। Next acid is phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is H3PO4. It is used as a fertilizers. Fertilizers, as we all know, that phosphorus is very essential for the growth of the plant. Therefore, phosphorus salt or nitrogen salt are to be spread in the fields for the proper growth of the plant. In that particular case, phosphoric acid is also used for making the fertilizers and the same property is used. Now, the next is carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is H2CO3. It is used in making soda water and soft drink. Soda water, as it soda water is carbonic acid is tangy in taste, so it impart a tangy taste in the water when it is used as a soda water. And so in soft drinks, it also imparted the tangy taste, carbonic acid, but in that particular case, along with this carbonic acid, CO2 is dissolved in water at high pressure for making the soft drinks from the water. Now, the next acid is acetic acid. Acetic acid is CH3COOH. The formula is written of each and every acid in the bracket, and it is used in the additive and foodstuffs. Like in pickles, it is used to make them it is used as a preservative, means so that your food items does not get spoiled within few hours or within few days. So acetic acid is used as a preservative to provide the food from the spoil. Therefore, the property used is preservative action and sour taste. They hence it also acids are sour in taste. Therefore, pickles, when you eat the pickle you find that it is having some sour taste. Now the last acid, that is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is also used as a baking powder, and the in baking powder the action the property used is neutralizing action. When this tartaric acid is reacting with a base, it forms a neutral salt along with the water, and that neutral salt is used as a baking powder. Now, the next topic of the today, this is all about the uses of acids. Now, the next topic of today is uses of base. How the bases are used in our day-to-day life and which property makes them use in that particular application. Next topic is uses of base. The first column shows the name of the base. The second column shows its uses, where the particular base is used, and third column shows which property are used of the base in these particular application. So the first base is sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula is NaOH and potassium hydroxide formula is KOH. These bases are used in the manufacture of shops, soap, paper pulp preparation, synthetic fiber, manufacture of medicines, used as a laboratory reagent, preparation of metallic sodium. Preparation of metallic sodium is the application of the base sodium hydroxide, and these applications, these uses of the bases sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide uses the property that sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide react with the oil. The first property that they are using is reaction with the oil. Reaction with the oil with sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Now the second property, this property is used in the paper pulp preparation. The property is reaction with hydrocarbons of wood. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide shows the property that they are reacting with the wood hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons that are present in the wood, they are reacting with that, and so therefore they are helping in the paper pulp preparation and synthetic fiber preparation. Now the second base is magnesium hydroxide, that is MgOH twice. This is used as an antacid. Antacid means when you are feeling that you are feeling acidity in your stomach. In that particular case, you can take the medicine having the salt magnesium hydroxide. Therefore, it is used as an antacid. It shows the property that neutralizing, as we all know that in the stomach for the digestion of food, HCl is secreted by the body. Okay, in the stomach. Therefore, excess HCl, which are insoluble, still insoluble, with the through which you are feeling acidity in your stomach, and this magnesium hydroxide react with this excess HCl and produce a neutralizing action, and you feel relief in that particular case. This is the application of magnesium hydroxide. Now the next base is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH twice, is used in the removal of hair from animal skin. Okay, this is due to the neutralization action. This all uses applications of calcium hydroxide uses the property that they get neutralized. Now the preparation of bleaching powder. Third is the used as a good disinfectant in whitewashing. Whitewashing is nothing but related to the wash of the clothes. It is whitewashing means the before the paint is done on the wall, there is done whitewash done on the wall. That is basically with the help of the calcium hydroxide is used in that particular application, as it is a good disinfectant in whitewashing. Now the fourth application is spread on bitter leaves. I already told you that on the bitter leaf, that calcium hydroxide or slaked lime is spread over the leaf, and it produces, on reacting with the bitter leaves, it produces the red color due to the neutralization action. Okay, so this is all about the uses of bases. Now I am telling you the one plant that or that doesn't know, मतलब बहुत कम जो है प्लांट्स वो जो है वो आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते हैं कि आइदर द सॉइल इज अ एसिडिक इन नेचर और द बेसिक इन द नेचर. ठीक है, ये हमें ह्यूमन को आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ता है प्लांट की ग्रोथ के लिए कि नाउ द सॉइल इज एसिडिक इन नेचर एंड इट इज और बेसिक इन नेचर एंड इट इज नॉट यूजफुल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट. बट देयर इज वन प्लांट नेम hydrangea. This is the plant which is growing in the cooler region of Himalayas or northeast part of our country, and it produces different kinds of flower depending upon the nature of the soil, whether the soil is acidic in nature or basic in nature. If the soil is acidic in nature, then it produces blue color flower. Blue color flower is developed growing on it when the soil is acidic in nature, and red or pink color flower is developed or is growing on the plant when the soil is basic in nature. This is the one of the plant which shows that the soil in which the plant is planted is either acidic in nature or basic in nature. Now, depending upon the neutralization, depending upon the nature of the soil, we get it neutralized by reacting it with, if the soil is reacting it with either the base or with an acid, depending that soil is acidic in nature or basic in nature. So, the next topic of ours today is uses of salts. Salts जो हैं वो कहाँ यूज होते हैं? As we all know, salt is prepared when the acid is reacting with the base, and along with the salt, water is generated, and this process is known as neutralization action. Now, the very first salt name is NaCl. NaCl, we all know that the chemical name of NaCl is sodium chloride. The common name for the sodium chloride is common salt, and it is used as a food additive. जो घर में सब्जी बनती है या फिर आप सैलेड लेते हो, उसके ऊपर जो आप सॉल्ट जो है वो छिड़कते हो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हो या उसको स्प्रेड करते हो, that is the common salt. So it is used as a food additive. It is also used as a preservative for pickles, so that pickle does not get spoiled after few days. Manufacture of chlorine and sodium hydroxide antacid tablets. इन टैबलेट्स की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के अंदर भी इसको यूज किया जाता है. किसको? NaCl. NaCl is sodium chloride. Now the next salt, that is NaHCO3. NaHCO3 is sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3 is sodium bicarbonate, and its common name is baking soda. It is used as a living agent for the cakes. Living agent means when the cake batter is made, and cake batter is made so that the cake is made fluffy or soft when you eat it. So in that particular case, baking soda, a pinch of baking soda is added in that particular batter so that it gets soft. Therefore, that particular action is known as the living agent. उसको क्या कहते हैं? लिविंग एजेंट कहते हैं. जिससे बैटर जो है वो क्या होता है? फूल जाता है. डोसा मेकिंग में भी आप इसको यूज करते हैं, बेकिंग सोडा को. ठीक है. या आप ढोकला जो है वो फॉर्म करते हैं, उसके अंदर भी मदर जो है आपकी वो बेकिंग सोडा यूज करती है. नॉट ओनली इन केक्स, इट इज यूज. इडली मेकिंग जो है उसके अंदर भी बेकिंग सोडा यूज किया जाता है. ये सारे चीजें जो क्या होती हैं? स्पंजी टाइप की होती हैं खाने के अंदर. इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस, सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट इज यूज्ड एज अ लिविंग एजेंट. नाउ इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द थर्ड सॉल्ट, दैट इज Na2CO3.10H2O. This salt is sodium carbonate. This is sodium carbonate, and its common name is washing soda. It is used in the manufacture of glass detergents. ग्लास डिटर्जेंट्स की मैन्युफैक्चर के लिए इसको यूज किया जाता है. नाउ द फोर्थ सॉल्ट इज अमोनियम कार्बोनेट. अमोनियम कार्बोनेट इज formula is NH4 twice CO3. NH4 twice CO3. So ammonium carbonate is common name is smelling salt, and it is used in the manufacturing of cold relief tablets. Relief from common cold it provided. Smelling salt जो है वो आपको जो जिसको हम जुखाम कह देते हैं, उससे क्या करता है? आपको रिलीफ जो है वो प्रोवाइड करता है. Now if I am talking about the fifth salt, that is CaSO4.12H2O. This salt is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. ठीक है. इस salt's complete name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and its common name is plaster of Paris. It is used in making the statues, in making the false ceiling of your house. This plaster of Paris, its short form is POP. It is used and it is also help in setting down of the broken bones. When your bone is broken, then in that particular case doctor do the plaster. On that plaster it is used plaster of Paris. Now if this last salt, that is potash alum. Okay, its common name is potash alum and its chemical name is potassium aluminium sulfate. Potassium aluminium sulfate, and it is used in the purification of water. When your water is not pure, in that water you add some pieces of potash alum and you wash that, the impurities get settled down at the bottom of the water and your water gets purified. So potash alum is used in the purification of water. This is all about the uses of acids, bases and salts. Uh, if you still find any query in this topic, please post your query in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for the video notification. Thank you.